In this video, I will show you how to easily fix CS2 unable to establish connection with game server, providing 3 simple solutions, and with that in mind, let's get right into it. To start, the first solution is to open the command prompt CMD by right-clicking on it and select Run as Administrator, and then enter a few commands. The first one is ipconfig/flushdns, followed by nash winsock reset command, and finally nash int IP reset. And after executing these commands in CMD, restart your computer and check if the problem persists. The second solution is to open the run and then type local app data and click OK. In the window that appears, locate the temp folder and delete all the files inside this folder. If some files cannot be deleted, leave them as they are because some programs are still using some of these files. By the way, before you delete the temp files, make sure to close the Steam application and now delete all the files from the temp folder, and after that restart your PC and check if the problem is still there. The third solution is that if no one of these solutions work, you can actually try clearing your Steam cache files. To do that, open your Steam application and click on the Steam button in the top left corner of the Steam application, and then click on the settings and then locate the download tab, and right here click on the clear download cache and click on confirm, and now wait for Steam to refresh, and then you can log in with your Steam account again. If you still have the issue after all these solutions, you may need to reinstall the Steam without deleting your games. To do this, go to your Steam library, select a random game, I will select CS2, and go to the properties and click on local files, and then click on browse. In the window that opens, delete all the files except Steam apps because your downloaded games will be there, and the user data folder because all your configs and account settings will be in that folder, in the user data folder. And after you've done that, launch the Steam again and it will re-download the necessary files. Thank you for watching, I hope this video was helpful, and if it was helpful, please share this video with your friends so they could also know how to fix CS2 unable to establish connection with game server.